Hey, what's up guys, it's Yada and welcome back to another video on the Glam0 Effect Designs. You can see my mom in the background there. We are about to give this patio some summer vibes, some patio summer vibes. So we're about to get ready to change a few things around, move some furniture around, add in some bright flowers. We got some rugs that we're going to put down just to kind of give it a new look. So right now I'm kind of vlogging, just so you can kind of see. Ma, say hi.
Hi.
Just so you guys can see. I'm gonna prop the camera up so you can see us kind of move everything out, put everything back in. So, huh?
We've already rinsed off the patio.
Oh yeah, so we've already rinsed off the patio. We're not going to be staining it because it already has been stained. So yeah, it's super bright and hot outside right now, so hopefully we can get done with this pretty quickly. Yeah, we got a new umbrella as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys subscribe. Also leave a comment down below and like this video after we are done. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. That wraps up today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed this summer patio setup. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below. If you want to see my mom more videos, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe. Yeah, we got some little treats here, some water to cool us down on this Sunday fun day. yeah, so until next Sunday, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Cheers.